too. I do hate that.
Bailey, what am I supposed to do?
Turn it on and hit the record button.
Bailey, are you claustrophobic?
Shut up.
What's this one?
I seriously still can't move my legs.
Do I just like take clips?
Hey, you can just record it and I'll cut it. Gosh. Jaden's here.
Shut down. No way, your boob just got in the way.
This looks wrong. Get your hand out of there!
No, she's supposed to. Hey guys, get out of the way. Make Bailey try to get out herself. Watch out.
Damn it.
No, Bailey, just stand up.
I can't move my leg.
Fight your way out.
I can't. I'm claustrophobic.
Wiggle your body.
Yeah, wiggle your body.
Come on, Jaden, help her.
No, make her try to get out herself.
No!
It's way more funnier that way.
I know.
Bailey. Well, she's throwing herself out. No, she's trying to get herself out. How far did they dig you?
We did dig pretty far.
And we like packed it and put water on it.
I want to drink for days, Bailey. You're going to be here forever.
Okay, I'm touching my knee right here.